Hi everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a planner flip through. This is my holiday and Christmas setup. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's very different than what I usually do, but I think that's acceptable because of the holidays and the time of year. This is the Foxy Fix Personal Wide Ring Bound Planner. This is the sugar leather with the cherry blossom color. So it's a beautiful pink. I have the light pink stitching and I believe the powder pink, it's either E1 or E2, maybe E3 elastic. I will link all the details down below. So let's get into it. I'm obsessed with this setup. Like I said, it is very different, but I love it. When you open my planner, this is the first thing you see. I have the scalloped or the petal pockets, and they are the best thing in the whole entire world. What was unexpected, this pocket stops like right here, which I thought, I don't know why I thought this, but I thought it would go all the way down. Just if you're thinking about the petal pockets, keep that in mind. So they are shorter, but that's totally fine. I just use my pockets more for decoration. But most of the setup that I have here is from the Hello Petite paper TN kit. She's my all-time favorite papers. I've been using her papers for over a year and a half, and they're always my favorite because everything always goes together. So it's automatically beautiful. In the pockets, I just have some die cuts that came in the kit. So that says Merry, and then a little Christmas tree, which is really, really cute. A car with presents on top. A snow globe. And then this last one, just some flowers. So I have that peeking out. And then I also have this clear acetate from Amazon. And then I have a Calligraphy by Lindsay vinyl. It just says my name, and this is in gold. So, so pretty, and I have it layered over a lace paper or like a doily paper from Michaels. So I just have all of that peeking. And then on my actual planner or on the first dashboard, like I never do this much layering, but I did, and I'm obsessed. I believe that this acetate is either from Planner Press or Kinley Doodles. I will try to find it and link it down below. I will link everything else or everything down below as I usually do, as well as the coupon codes to several of these shops. So there is just a clear acetate, and then underneath that acetate I have a journaling card that came with the Hello Petite paper TN kit. This is one of my favorites. It is double-sided, but I decided that I liked this one better, and I layered that over another paper from her kit. It's just the red and white striped. So adorable. And this is the back of the double-sided paper. The next I have a vellum. This is from Hobby Lobby. Just really simple gold dotted vellum. Definitely my go-to when I just need something simple and I can't find anything in my collection that matches really nicely. I have this, and then these inserts are from Justenia Printables. This is a year at a glance on 2 pages, I believe she calls it. So you have like January 2020 all the way to December 2020, and that's in the pink colorway. And then I just have a vellum from Simply Watercolor Co. She used to sell vellum last year, and this was one of them. So I just cut this down. It says Believe in the Magic, and I popped it in here. And then these inserts are again from Justenia Printables, and these are I forget what these are called. I will link the names down below. But you have 2 weeks on one page all through the year. I had these last year and I really liked them for doctor's appointments and events or tests or anything that came up. And then again, this is half of a Simply Watercolor Co. vellum. This paper, again, is from Hello Petite paper. How beautiful is that? And then this is the back of the paper. And then I have this vellum that I created. I did a little video on like a quick tip for creating vellum that matches your setup. I will I might save it to a highlight, but I just pulled up a picture of a piece of paper from this setup and I changed the background to match it, printed it, voila. And then I added some vinyls from Calligraphy by Lindsay. These are this was an outline that was part of the Ribbon and Nib in Calligraphy by Lindsay collab. So I just took those and I made a little present, which I really like how this turned out, and then a bow from that same collab. And then these are again from Jasenia Printables. These were actually part of her Marion Bright Christmas inserts, but I love them for pre-planning, so I just printed them again and again and again. So I have that. And then this vellum is from Ribbon and Nib. I think it's so cute with that plaid and the pinks and the navy. And then this card, or this dashboard, is from Panda Bird Design. It was actually a freebie. I think it's really, really cute. And then this is a paper from the Hello Petit Paper TN kit. So I don't always, or sometimes I will layer papers on top of these, but I rarely do. I usually just love both of them, but I really wanted to use this journaling card from Panda Bird Design. And then this vellum is from Simply Watercolor Co. I'm sorry, again, she does not have it available, but I found it in my collection, and it is rose gold. It's the only part of my planner that has rose gold. Everything else is gold, but it's okay, you can't really tell. And then these are my daily inserts from Jasenia Printables. These are her collab with my newest addiction. I'm obsessed. I just want plain ones though. I forgot to mention, but this paper clip is from K&Co XOXO. It's the velvet one, and I especially love using the velvets during the colder months because I think that it just gives this beautiful pink a more of a winter feel. So I just clip that. Oh, and also this paper clip that I use in my pre-planning inserts is also from K&Co XOXO. She has some of my favorites. They're always in my planner, always. All right, then I have the same acetate that I had in the front. I have it right here just to close off this section. That's kind of how I assemble everything. I have a dashboard and then an acetate or a vellum, my inserts, an acetate or vellum, and then another dashboard. And I just found that it works really well for me. And then I have a dashboard from Panda Bird Design. Again, this was a freebie, and I love the marble with the gold glitter trees. And then I have a freebie. Again, this was a freebie from Two Little Bees. I thought it was adorable, and the colors went really, really well with my color scheme. And then again, I have that same acetate from Planner Press or Kinley Doodles. I will find out. And then these are the Merry and Bright inserts from Jasenia Printables. So there's some holiday gifting stuff or papers, and then different gift ideas and the amount. And then also there are notes at the back, which I really like. These, I think they're adorable. And then also there's like a to watch Christmas movie list. So I have that going. And then next I have a dashboard or a paper from the Hello Petite Paper TN kit, and layered on top I have a journaling card from that same kit. I just love the door and the 25, and it's foiled in gold. So, so beautiful. And then this is the back of the paper. And then I have a vellum from Paper Blush Bar. I think this is a stunning vellum. It has December 25th, 2019, Merry Christmas. I just thought it was so, so cute. And then these inserts, these are part of the Merry and Bright collection. These are just the notes, and I decided to put these in a separate section just so I have my holiday bundle together and then just notes separately. I don't know, I just decided to do that way. And then this is a palm from Peach Palm. I think it's adorable. I love her palms. And then this is a vellum from Addie.Plans. This was a digital, I got it last year, I believe, maybe around Valentine's Day or last year. And I just really, really like it. But I don't know if it's available or if she even has a shop anymore. And then this is a paper, again, from the Hello Petite Paper Tan Kit. And then this is the back. This vellum is from Simply Watercolor Co. It says Holly Jolly and it's gold and it has some red, and I thought it matched really nicely with my setup. And then I have online orders. These inserts are from Jasenia Printables. So if you cannot tell, Jasenia Printables has my favorite inserts. And then I have a vellum, again, from Hobby Lobby, just with some gold polka dots. This, and I keep forgetting to show paper clips. I always do. This paper clip with this beautiful snowflake is from K&Co XOXO, and it is part of her winter collection. So it matches another paper clip / bookmark that I have in my planner that I will show momentarily. And then this is again from Hello Petite Paper. This is the back, and then I have a vinyl from Calligraphy by Lindsay. It says Be You, Do You, For You. And then I just put that on a piece of clear acetate from Amazon. And then this is a vellum from Ribbon and Nib. And then I have my meal planner inserts from Jasenia Printables. So this is where I plan my meals, and then I put my grocery list. And this is a bow bookmark from K&Co XOXO. Let's see if this will focus. There we go. So it has white with some white bow with some gold detailing, and then the ribbon is light blue with snowflakes and little charms, little beads at the bottom. I thought this matched my setup beautifully. And I love the white at the top. And then I have a dashboard that I got last year from Crafts by Towie. It says all I want for Christmas are planner things, and that is still true. It was true last Christmas and it's still true this Christmas. And then this dashboard is from Panda Bird Design. It was a freebie. It just has some flowers, pens, and bows and hearts. And then I have this clear journaling card from Rose Colored Days, and she did a collab with Caddy from caddybug.plans, and I think it's so, so beautiful. And I layered that with some Simply Gilded 5mm tape, and it says, it's the most wonderful time of the year, and I cannot believe that Caddy lettered that. That's beautiful. And then this vellum is again from Addie Plans. I just love this sweater. I think it's really, really cute. And then I have my fitness inserts. I put the date, the workout, the duration, and these are where I plan my workouts, and then I'll put a check in this section if I completed it. And then I finished this section off with a vellum from Ribbon and Nib. Lastly, I have the page lifter, I think it's called, from Boxy Fix. This came with the planner, and I just put a vinyl from Calligraphy by Lindsay. This is the Crafts by Towie. This is her bow, and Lindsay created into a vinyl, so I just added that on there just to add some extra foiling to that area. And then back here I have absolutely nothing. I never really come back here, so I just kept that blank, empty. And then usually in the pockets, there's a pocket back here which is really nice. I'll usually keep the stickers I'm using for the week, or like the weekly kit, so wherever I go I have my weekly kit with me instead of having to find it and then place it in my planner. So it's just always there. But that is my setup. Like I said, it is different than I usually do, just with the layering and the multiple bows, but I really like it, and I like stepping out of my comfort zone, especially in my planner, because this is my hobby and I like trying new things and being creative. So I loved setting this planner up. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at My Life Stuck on Paper, and I will see you girls soon. Bye.